Hey, welcome back everybody, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today we're going to be changing this clock to match this clock up here to account for daylight savings time. So let's take a quick look at this oven range and how we're going to do it. First things first, you want to identify the gear with the clock that says 3 seconds. Do not hold this down for 3 seconds. That'll put it in some demo mode. Push it once. Cycle between AM and PM depending on when you woke up. And then once you figure out what it is, morning or afternoon, you're just going to push in the digits for the appropriate time that it is. Once you've done that, push the button once again. Your time should be set. You're good to go. I hope this helped everybody, and if it did, try to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this with any of your friends who might not know how to change the time on their Samsung oven range. I hope everyone's doing good out there. Take care. Peace.